Before you increase your income, increase your discipline. Because building your first 50,000 Naira investment fund is not about earning more. It's about controlling what you already earn. If 5,000 Naira was your starting point, today we're building it into 50,000 Naira. Not through luck, through structure. And structure begins in the mind. Why 50,000 Naira matters. 50,000 Naira is not life-changing money, but it is identity-changing money. It's the point where you stop being someone who wants to invest and become someone who actually does. Your first 50,000 Naira is proof that you can build. And proof builds confidence. Confidence builds consistency. The system. Let's build this properly. Step 1. Separate investing from spending. Open your investment account. Treat it like a vault. Platforms many Nigerians use include Bamboo, Trove, RiceVest, Invest Niger. Step 2. Set a monthly non-negotiable investment amount. Even if it's 5,000 Naira. Consistency beats size. Step 3. Increase contributions slowly. If you can invest 5,000 Naira monthly, next month, try 7,000 Naira. Small upgrades compound. Step 4. Reinvest dividends. Never withdraw early. The psychology shift. Now here's what actually builds 50,000 Naira. Not income, identity. You must stop seeing 5,000 Naira as spending money and start seeing it as seed money. When you invest consistently, something subtle happens. You stop asking, what can I buy? You start asking, what can I build? That mental shift is powerful. The market will test your patience. Friends may spend freely. You will feel tempted. But remember, short-term pleasure delays long-term power. Wealth begins in the mind. Practical structure to hit 50,000 Naira. Let's do simple math. 5,000 Naira monthly for 10 months equals 50,000 Naira. If you increase gradually, you reach it faster. But here's the secret. Don't wait to hit 50,000 Naira before investing. Invest along the way. For example, month 1 to 3. Buy stable Nigerian stocks like GTCO, month 4 to 6. Add telecom exposure like MTN Nigeria, month 7 to 10. Consider fractional exposure to global companies like Microsoft. This builds structure early, not randomness. What will try to stop you? You will face unexpected expenses, peer pressure, market drops, self-doubt. This is where most people quit. But let me tell you something important. Your first 50,000 Naira is not about profit. It's about proving you can follow through. Once you build that muscle, scaling becomes easier. Building 50,000 Naira is not about the number. It's about who you become while building it. Disciplined, strategic, calm. Before your next money decision, ask yourself, is this building my first 50,000 Naira or delaying it? We don't chase money here. We build it. And remember, wealth begins in the mind.